G'day folks, time to keep on going. I'm just doing the water pump now. And there is red RAV cordial everywhere. Like, this stuff is strong. I don't know what Toyota put in there, but it's strong. A lot stronger than I'd ever mix the green stuff. But I do have a bottle of red cordial, not red coolant, that is not going to be that strong. It doesn't need to, and it sort of explains why there's oxide coming out around the housings. You can see pink oxide forming around some of the housings. So I've got to clean all that up. Well, not that. Garden hose will do that, but I mean clean the oxide from the housings. So yeah, I've got the seals and everything in. Ready to put the sprocket back on, or the drive pulley, once I repair it or replace it. But for now I'm just draining and flushing the cooling system. Yeah, interesting. At least the cam's still in the original position. I've got to double check the crank. It's not going to be off by more than a couple of degrees, so I'll just cross-reference what I've photographed and marked. I can also do the thermostat now, which is good. Yeah, fun and games. Definitely don't want to do this too often. Okay, well, the old water pump certainly isn't corroded, because the cooling system was taken care of, but she's just starting to feel a little bit rough. Like, not grindy, but if I spin it, all I can hear is bearing noise. So yeah, very good time to change it. It's got one of those old coated metal gaskets too. Oh, I've got a new pump and sealant and everything like that. I'm going to use former gasket. Probably, I don't have any Copper Max. Repco was out of Copper Max, so I'm going to use Blue Max. I've used that on plenty of water pumps and never had a problem. Copper's the best, but yeah. The gaskets that you get with these, I don't think I actually got I think I got a paper gasket, but yeah. That's what I got with the Gates one that's been crushed. It's starting to break through there. So I don't think I'll use that. I'll use a sealant RTV, aluminum powder and RTV based sealant. They do work quite well. You can use either Copper Max or Blue Max. Copper Max is ideal, but Blue Max is good for up to 250 degrees Celsius, and since this system's rated, or thermostatic temperature is 92 degrees, we should be pretty right. But you do not use Blue Max near petrol or gasoline, otherwise it will dissolve it. But being coolant, we should be just fine. Okay, well, I don't really know how well this is going to work out, but I videoed it anyway. I've drilled a 2.5mm hole in place of the broken lug on the timing sprocket, and I'm going to drive a M3 shoulder screw in there, because I've tapped it M3 by 0.7, and yeah, let's hope this thing works. I don't know about you, but since I've got an inductive pickup point in there, I don't think there'll be a problem with this. If anything, it's a little bit big, but I'll give it a little bit more of a dress with the fine diamond files and see how we go. Considering there's a reasonable gap between the inductive pickup and these lugs, I'm guessing the width of the lug is the only really critical thing. The width of the head and everything doesn't seem to matter, because, well, this thing can technically float if it wasn't rusted on, so yeah. It's not too bad. That's how you repair gear teeth on very low speed machinery like old lathes. My old South Bend has a couple of missing teeth that I'm going to do the same sort of thing, except 3 studs in a row and then file into a tooth point. Same sort of deal. It's an easy, I guess you'd say, backyard repair come workshop improvised repair. Okay, so Blue's all finished and happy and running really nice now. I didn't get any more footage of the timing belt change. I just had to put the camera and the laptop and everything away and just focus on what I was doing, and sure enough I stopped breaking things. So yeah, it was all good. I mean, I wasn't going to do a how-to video anyway, especially not the first time I try and change a timing belt, and it certainly won't be something I do on a regular basis. Hell, I'll be happy to pay a mechanic to do it next time. Obviously the carpet's out getting cleaned because there's all kinds of nasty seeping out of it like that. You can't really see that stain very well, but that's sort of what seeped out of the carpet after water got in from the sunroof drain again. And it was the sunroof drain. That top corner there keeps blocking, so I'm going to clean out and blow out and vacuum out all the debris from the sunroof channels. So yeah, pretty easy. Nice and quiet, everything checked out fine before I did the initial start. I did test run the engine with the repaired tone wheel and ran fine, so I proceeded to put everything back together properly and went from there. No, he's a good happy little RAV now. I can get the carpet and the interior back together once I'm done cleaning, and take him to the mechanic for a preliminary roadworthy inspection and just find out for sure what has to be done. I already know the windscreen's going to fail, so the chips, the rear shocks are bouncy as a bloody Cadillac on air springs. Yeah, there are a few major things that need to be done. He's wearing Betty's old AT tyres now, so they're all roadworthy apart from the spare, so I've just got to mount up a spare tyre for it, which I've already got. There's not a tremendous amount that I've noticed, but I'm sure the inspector will know what to look for, like suspension debushings or something like that. Again, 400,000 kilometre RAV, it's not uncommon to have more unusual bushings and things just wear out, so yeah. Blue's very happy, running very smooth. No more flappy timing belt noise, no more idler noise, no more worn out serpentine belt noise. Yeah, one happy little RAV. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let's clean the let's clean the carpet, hang it up and hit it with the pressure cleaner. Yeah, let's clean Blue's carpet while we're at it. I've already started, but you can see there are years of coffee spills and other nastiness. Yuck. Yeah, that's spilt coffee. Right down there. Oh, that's so evil. I haven't even got the soap out yet. This is just water and residual soap from when I tried to clean it in the car, but it's past that one. Got to pull it out. Still got to fire that up too and give it a proper clean. Oh, yuck. It's evil. I'm just pre-washing it before I get the soap out, and this is bad enough. We'll suspend it off a piece of timber. Nasty. Yeah, the white is just carpet cleaner residue. Yeah, this stuff's had it soak into it as well. If it peels off, it peels off. I'll get replacement stuff, I think. Yeah. This section's not so bad, it's just the back, or towards the front.